What's up guys, it's Megan and today I'm going to show you guys how I got this high shine complexion using a few of my favorite Rainforest of the Sea products that are brand spanking new, as well as some well-loved trusty older products. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with our Quench primer. This is the ultimate primer for a girl on the go or somebody that is just always rushing or has very dry skin, because this is a moisturizer and a primer in one. As you can see, my skin is already looking very hydrated and dewy. Thank you, Quench primer. And I have one more step that I do before I go in with foundation. So I'm using our Rainforest of the Sea Twinkle Stick, and this is the more golden shade. This is Spotlight, and I'm just gonna rub this in to the high points of my face as like a pre-highlighter. To apply my foundation, today I'm going in with our Aquaflash brand new Rainforest of the Sea brush. It's super beautiful. It's got like coral detailing. The bristles are really soft and just super comfortable on the skin, and it just blends your foundation in almost airbrushed. I'm going in with our Rainforest of the Sea foundation. This is the tan deep golden shade, and I know what you guys are thinking, like, wow Meg, that looks a little light, but I shade matched to the center of my face because I bronze the outside of my face anyways. I'd rather have like the really good match on my base. So this is a perfect match for me and I love it. So I'm just going to actually just go ahead and apply this foundation directly onto my brush. Look at that. Like, I haven't even blended it in, but already the coverage from just 3 drops is insane. This brush is magic too. Name a better pair, I'll wait. So this is just the coverage with 3 drops. It is a very natural coverage. Like, this is what I would wear if I was going for a super natural look, but I wanted to show you guys just how beautiful that skin twinkle under that foundation looks, as well as just how beautiful this foundation is. Cause like, this looks like my skin, just more even, and just, I'm so happy with this foundation. We're gonna go in with concealer, and I'm using the Rainforest of the Sea concealer. This is the Aqua Sealer. Again, it's gonna be super hydrating, and it's not as full coverage as Shape Tape. It is just more of a natural concealer, which I love, and which is perfect when we're doing glass-like skin. This is the shade Tan, and I'm just gonna pop this where I would normally put all my concealer. Just on the high points of my face. Yeah, so we're gonna blend it out using the double-ended concealer brush under my eyes and on my nose, but everywhere else I'm actually gonna use the Aquaflash brush. I highly recommend our Skin Twinkle Volume 1 palette. Has these 3 beautiful shades of highlighter, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and go in with Sunlit just on my finger. It's super pigmented. So I'm just going to tap into that very gently and then tap this right on to where I put my highlight earlier. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What do you think? I shine. I love it. I'm super into this, and you will definitely be seeing this technique a lot more from me because it just makes me feel like I have even more beautiful skin than I already do. I am very proud of the skin I have. I worked very hard to get it the way it looks, and this just makes it even, and it's just beautiful, and I love it. And I know that all of these Rainforest of the Sea products are infused with our marine complex. That's gonna just be really good for your skin, as well as making it look good. Wow, it's maybe not as good as you'd like it to be. So if you guys want to see more Rainforest of the Sea tutorials, please tell me in the comments down below, as well as what you want to see. And until next time, I will see you guys later.